Hey guys, welcome to Maths tutorial. Today we will discuss the following problem. That is, if x power a is equal to y power a, then is it true that x is equal to y? Now try it for yourself and answer me in the comment box. Now it's my turn and I can say that this is not true in general. Let's take an example to justify this. We will take a is equal to 0, x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3. And taking that we have x power a is equal to 2 power 0. That means 1. And y power a is equal to 3 power 0. That also gives 1. So it is proved that x power a is equal to y power a. But look that here x is not equal to y, as x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3. Here note that this is true in some cases. As for example, when all of x, y and a are non-zero, then this will be true. Now I am giving a similar question to try it for yourself. If x power a is equal to x power b, then is it true that a is equal to b? We will discuss it in our next video. Till then, please try it for yourself and answer me in the comment box. Thank you for watching.